guys, welcome to my channel. I was hot earlier, but I'm not right now. But I just want to say thank you, welcome to my channel. Today I just have a lot of cleaning and straightening up to do. I allow the clothes to just pile up and it's a mess. So yeah, this is like, I guess, motivation, because whenever I have like things that are piling up, I'll like look at someone's vlog and see them cleaning, folding clothes and all this, and I'll be like, let me get my behind up. So I hope that this motivates someone to do the same. If you have, yes, Phoenix. If you have, things that you have to take care of. But I'm hungry. I'm about to make some Trader Joe's fried rice. And that's all. Bye. Phoenix, what you doing? Toys everywhere. Toys galore. All on the floor. Huh? What are you making, Bear? And he's just like, that's so funny. Oh my god, this smells good. Wow, that smells good. Well, I smelled it earlier, but it smells better like on someone. Get down, 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 down. See you arriving in your car. Yeah. Shine like Mercedes, built in the 70s, classic like you and me. I just finished blow drying my hair. It's technically not, it's not good, fully dry, but baby, my arms hurt and I don't feel like doing it. So that's it. Water just, flew everywhere. But I'm still mad because the mousse that I don't know what happened. When I took this on vacation, this is Aussie Instant Volume mousse. When I took this on vacation and I came back home, it was just so, I don't know what's the word, liquidy, and it wasn't like foamy like it should be. See, like, what is that? But whatever. I may do my edges because it's giving bushy, but I could just put a scarf on and just lay him down, give him a little break, because I have somewhere to go this weekend and I don't want that build up to come back. But hey guys, we are watching The Grinch again. As you can see, I washed Phoenix hair yesterday. And baby, we both were tired. What's this? We both were tired, and I put a conditioner in her hair, and she kind of slept in it. So we gotta rinse that out and give the baby girl's hair some TLC. Right? Right? Say TLC. That 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking, now in for me, I got it. My bitch scheming, doing, hide your bodies. Hey, go ahead, me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. If the white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just change this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not in. Ain't a home when you're not in. Underground when you're not in. I'm saying I can lose when I'm with you. How me. You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't.
So I have been into like men's oversized button downs lately. So I purchased, I know, not normally, I purchased these from the Goodwill, and you know, I'll just tie them up, make it look feminine and girly. But my obsession, these are like my blazers. These two outfits I have plans for that. These are my blazers. And I put my button downs over here. In my closet, I've been into Capsule clothing, and you know, you just mix and match some of the same pieces, but you make it look different and cuter the next time around. These are like, I said I was going to take them to the cleaners because I feel like when I put them in the washing machine, they shrunk. It could be that I got bigger, could be that they shrunk, who knows. But these are good American jeans, baby. These are my favorite jeans, but those need to be clean. This is a dress from July. I wore this for my birthday. I got this from Urban Outfitters. It's so cute. I also wanted to take that to the cleaners. And this blazer has makeup all over it. I'm scared to wash it because you know Zara is pricey. So this is really cute. Like, I love simple, basic clothes. I don't like to say basic. I like simple pieces, but then I don't mind something that's like a statement piece and giving something different. And I have never seen a blazer that looked like this. Like, come through, Zara. That is so cute. Love that. So my suitcase I normally put in the other closet, but I have a lot of sandals and shoes that I want to put in here for the time being, because I want to get like one of those little shoe systems that I can just sit right here and make it look put together, neat, or even line them up under here. But for now, we will improvise and put them in the suitcase. Are you finished eating?
Yeah.
You finished eating my face?
Yes, that's me.
You gotta get your hair washed.
Hair wash?
Yeah, you need your hair washed. And you gotta do your hair.
Yeah, you know me. What? Over there. What?
Come here, give her the sticky booty. These shoes I got from Shein. Maybe you can tell I wore these because the wear and tear is definitely showing. But
Huh? Clean up. That's up. Because too.
Phoenix, what are you doing? Mommy's not putting these. Mommy's not putting these in there. Thank you for your assistance, though.
Gaza. Good job, Mommy. Good job, Mommy.
Thank you.
You want the Mommy? It's fun in there. Good job. Oh, don't worry. Good job. That's bad. Good job. You made it. What are you doing, Mommy? Where's sleeping? What? Hey, Mister.
And I may just go ahead and throw this box away because I don't know. I guess I was keeping it, to for some decor, but this bright green box, we don't need that. It goes to these shoes, baby. She is so cute. Love her. But we're getting rid of this box. And Phoenix, just laying on the suitcase. No big deal. So this is pretty much what we have. I cleaned all those shoes and put them in my suitcase. And those two, when I go out, are typically my most used boots. So yeah, we're gonna put this suitcase in my other closet. And yeah, this is on my blazer. I barely even wear this thing. I can't remember the last time I wore this. So I don't know whatever. Yeah. BRB.
Soon as I pick up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. 2 time, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2 time, baby girl, you know. I'm outside.